gentlemen, today we are going to unbox the G4 65 OLED, the number one OLED in 2024, and here we go. So apparently this model comes with its own stand, and the stand will be inside here. This is how the TV is gonna look like. So these ones will have to just insert in that wall bracket. I'll just show you how it's going to be, and let's get the wall bracket out of the box. I repeat, this TV comes with its own wall bracket. You're not going to buy any wall bracket outside to install this TV. No, it has its own wall bracket. This type of wall brackets, these ones, they will not work. They will not work. I repeat it again. Bracket will be on top of the box. We are going to show you the wall bracket. So our wall bracket will be this one. Press this. That will be our wall bracket. So this is our wall bracket for the 65G4, as you can see. So what happens if you're going to install it on the wall? You'll have to install this one on the wall. Then you're gonna have to open this. I'll show you. I'm sorry for the movements. It's okay, leave it. We got it already. So the wall bracket is like that. So you just have to push this. Bro, just do like this. Okay, one second. Guys, what we normally do if you're installing this G4, G3, G series, you have to first install this wall bracket. So make sure it's balancing perfectly. You know how it is. I'm going to show you. So we've already screwed it on the wall, and here inside there is hooks. These hooks. There is this hooks. There are two inside. There are two hooks. I'll show you here. These two hooks. So once you bring the TV, you'll just hook it in, then lock this. You have to lock this. Yeah. So now we are going to put our TV here. In case you're going to open the wall bracket, you just have to open like this. Make this stand, then push from the back like that.
On that guys,
so just simply to show you, because on the wall it might be difficult to show you. Once you're installing this TV on the wall, it will be like this. So you'll once again, you have to open this. This will be the lock. So you'll put like that. Then after it's installed properly, so after one second. So let me show you how to install this one. First you'll have to open these locks, then insert this inside that, then this will be lifted and it will cross the other side, then you can lock. So you have to lock from here and you lock from this side. So now that's our wall bracket installed. See, this space, it will come from here, then you push it the other side. So that's how it's supposed to be. So our wall bracket comes like this in the box. So now what we are going to do is to open it. you have to hold in the middle, then push like that. Like that. Then when we are going to install it on the wall, on the TV, by the way, you have to install this on the wall first. So you have to open the locks. You have to first open these locks and this one also. Then insert it inside. Then push. You can either push this side or you can let's push it the other side. The other side, open. Can you leave it? Arif knows it how to do it. So we'll push it this end, in this corner, in these corners. So cross it, cross. So that's how it's installed. So here it will be firm, like you can move it. But now let's first remove it. This is a simple demonstration how after installing it on the wall. So we'll remove it and put it on the wall. Just one second. You know, if you're doing construction, you have to know how to disorganize. Just remove it like that. So now it's time to install this on the wall.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Tell them, please subscribe to our channel. Ladies and gentlemen, now we finished our installation of this, and we are going to put the TV here.
Full pocket lagana.
So this is our TV that it's been installed already on the wall. I'll show you this. It doesn't have any zero space that has remained between the wall and the TV, as you can see. So guys, this is our TV. It has been installed already. This is the top of it with zero space left between the wall and the TV. So as you can see, there is no wall there is no like distance. So guys, as you can see, our TV has been installed. There is like zero distance between the wall and the TV. There is like literally zero distance that has remained, as you can see. It's like doesn't leave a space. So some of you will be wondering, how can we install the HDMIs like that? So once you pull the TV like that, this is where your HDMIs are going. Below also, like everything will be here. So the cable management will pass here, then you can put down inside. If you have like a place in the wall, then you can keep the storage here. So that's how our TV is, and that's how it's going to be if you see it from a distance. So then now if you push it back to the wall, this is the zero distance. So it's called garage design. So ladies and gentlemen, it's time to start our TV. To check it out, first don't forget to remove this bag, the plastic. Don't forget to remove the plastic. That will be our plastic. And so finally, let's start our TV and check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a gentle reminder. This is G4 2024 model, and probably, I'm sure you know that it's going to be the best TV. So now let's go to the installation of our TV. So you choose the region where you are. These TVs are made for mostly like Middle East, North Africa, East Africa, West Africa, and South Africa. So there is also in Europe and America, there is others. They'll be the same, but now the software is like made for UAE and Middle East and Africa at large. So right now we are based in Dubai. So we'll set our time zone. Of course, this is G4. It will be the best TV, I'm sure. Let's check it out. So I'll just put in my password. So after we've put in our password, let's check it out. So once it's connected, it will bring us to the terms and conditions, which you have to accept. Scroll down. You have to scroll using this magic remote. Then you go to the next. Then after that, you have to select all and then agree. You don't have a choice but to agree. Yeah. So once you finish the agree, we'll not put any of this. So I'll just say none because it's for the display. Of course, this is G3. 99.9 customers will use on their wall. This, you have to choose where you're going to install, just so that the sound quality of your TV will come out basing on where you installed it. So wall. And we'll activate the AI Pro picture and the AI Pro for the sound. This will enhance the picture quality and the sound quality. Now you'll hear the sound that's a little bit increased and enhanced. So we'll put in the Aura is ready, which this is whereby you say ILG, open this thing, or ILG like that, then without using a remote. So if you don't have a remote with this G4, you can just say hi LG, but you have to select this. Or else, if you don't, anyone who doesn't have a remote, you can download the ThinQ app on the LG, on your app Play Store or App Store. Then you can use the ThinQ app. It has the magic remote in the application, just in case you lost your remote. So next, and there we are. So right now I'll just skip this. But there are some applications which you cannot install without signing in the LG account. So you must sign in if you have the account. Explore the world with your LG TV. So let's go. Let's start. So for the moment, it will give you option to choose which one you can start with. Let's start with the YouTube. And ladies and gentlemen, just to remind you, this is OLED EVO. Yeah, it's a simple reminder. It's already launched, it's already downloaded. So now all the applications will be coming here. Once you put in your user agreement, and all the applications, most of the applications we use mostly will come here. Not all, but most of them. Otherwise, if you want to download more applications, you have to go here in the apps and download more. So one thing I forgot to tell you about this one, the new remote comes with the apps instead of the Todd. Last year there was Todd, now there is apps instead of Todd. So if you want any other applications, you can download here. If you cannot see it here, you can just come here and enter the application which you want to check. And that's it. So another reminder, you have to, if you haven't been using LG, you just have to slide in the to slide like this, the remote. Another option that came with the G4 and all the 2024 models of LG, this option has not been there for the last LG TVs that have been launched in the last 2 years, like back. Then this is always ready, so built-in Apple TV, built-in receiver, 4K. It's 144 hertz. So for the gamers, if you're a gamer, you will go up to 144 hertz, and comes with the G-Sync, FreeSync Premium. So this is a premium TV. So if you want the best TV in your house, this is the best buy. As per the moment, this is the best buy. And ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I love you so much. Press the notification button. Give us any comment which you want in the comment section. We'll answer your questions. And don't forget, this is Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision. So I sign out. Thanks for watching. Love you so much. See you in the next video. And please subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe. Tell a sister to subscribe. We'll be opening more TVs in the coming days. All brands. By the way, can you hear the sound quality? This is the sound quality. That's up to 100. That was just a tester. So let's go back.